What is up, guys? Welcome to the fourth video of the Boring Bread Gaming channel. And apparently today we're just gonna take, a normal elevator ride. What? Turn that down. They're eating chicken. Look at that. The guy in the middle. How is he eating so much? It's like he's hacking. Wow. Alright, I'm impressed. Who's this guy? I can push him. I can push him. I'm gonna push you outside the elevator next time. Ignore the dogs. That's just my annoying dogs. But I'm gonna push you out next time the elevator opens. Because we're gonna just random on the floor. Looks like my friend Unicorn joined. Well, hi, Unicorn. You moved?
Look out. I think
Moto likes you. This is not a regular elevator, obviously. But yeah, guys, welcome back to the fourth video of the Boring Bread Gaming. Whoa, that's like a strong noob. He's gonna push the dude. Oh no, you just teleport in there. That's disappointing. Can I push you out into the beach? Nope. Right, I can't help but vibing. Yeah, I just gotta vibe to this music. Vibe is so vibey. Alright, I'm pushing you out. Get out. What? Is this some, like... No, I'm gonna get in front of the camera and ruin everything. Yeah, time to buy it. Alright, I can't buy stuff. Alright, gears. Gear set 2. I can buy... Drink this and go crazy. Alright. I just went ragdoll, y'all. Hey, can you pick me up, strong noob? Because I think I died. Oh, oops. Well, I'm dead. Wait, why am I so slow? Why am I, like, buried in the snow? I can't do any of it. Wait, I can just walk. No, I can't. Do I press shift? Because I'm not. Unicorn, I know she plays on her phone, and she's going fast, but I'm not. Wait, does that mean when everybody else goes normal, I'm gonna go slower? No, that does not sound right. I don't want to go slow. I'm gonna drink the juice. Yeah. Let's roll. Let's roll. What's this song? I'm just gonna lay on this guy. Batman. Shaq fought Godzilla. Oh, I'm floating. Yeah. Woo. Time to get in the other elevator. Do 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 do. Where's the helpful music that makes it all sound nice? Alright. Oh. Alright, now I'm turned. to backflip into this. Oof. Alright, I'm just gonna float around. Oh, what is that? What happened to this guy's head? It's his whole body's just. What happened? Are you stuck on the other floor? Are you gonna be floating around there forever? Because I'm fine with that, because we just got a head on the floor. Alright. Oof. What? I need to turn this up.
Once again.
Is this the Haunted Mansion? Yeah.
Five people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again. But this time,
It's for you. Wait, I flew outside of the elevator. What? Oh, wait, now I'm back in it. Oh, look at, he's stuck under the floor. What? I'm stuck. My leg's in the floor. Oh. How is he crouching? What just happened?
It seems that the elevator has broke. Please remain calm and stay away from the back wall. The elevator will be back in service shortly.
I'm going to the back wall. Cause I don't know what's good for me and I'm running away. Bye. What? It's back wall. A hand just grabbed unicorn. Bye. Wait, it just went black. Oh, now the wall's fixed. What just happened? Unicorn just got grabbed and now she's gone. Alright, this game's like, is it like an elimination game where you just keep getting eliminated until there's one person left? Alright, I'm turning that down. Is this like an elimination game where you just keep dying until there's one person left and that's the, oh, that's like the winner? What? Excuse me? I see oh, it's a Momo. Doo-doo-doo. I'm not gonna stay in there. Oh, look it, it's in the mirror. Is that a mirror or a TV? Oh, yeah, Unicorn's back. I see your name tag. See, it's right there. Wait, then what happened? What kind of game is this? Well, either way, it's funny. So, oh my gosh, the buff noob just had like Unicorn off. As I was saying, I had Lee play with me earlier today, but we did not play this game. But we all thought this was a weird game, and he told me to try it on my channel. So, what? What? They're doing a dance. What is going on? Oh, there was an orange guy in there. Isn't that the same orange guy that I pushed outside? Why is the buff noob's head's in the ceiling now? That's nice for him. I'm gonna roll underneath the railing. I'm gonna be a steamroller. What is happening here? I have no clue. Alright, time to see what this is. Oh, some guy dancing with the Doritos. What? Help. Same. I think I need help too. Sounds like Tycoon music, which really has me thinking. I worked on Pyramid Tycoon because I did a video on it, but it was too long to upload, and that's sad for me. Anyway, I'm almost out of time. Oh! I could just walk. I could just roll down. Hey, I'm faster than everybody else. I'm catching up. I'm catching up. I'm catching up. I'm beating you. I'm beating you. I'm beating you. I'm faster than you. Ha ha! Bye! I just come to notice that there's just a bunch of noobs on the walls, just bowing down to the fastest champion, the roller. I'm the fastest, obviously. Ugh. And I'm on my face. And I'm on my face again. And downward dog. And my legs don't move. Stop standing on the unicorn. I understand that you are not here right now. That does not mean you need to be right there right now. Also, who played the old normal elevator? Not me. Alright, I'm gonna move, because that looks... I don't know. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, it's like one of those... It's like the Momo one, where you just stand there. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and watch this. Yo, you missed me! Ha! You missed! You missed! Good luck! You missed! You missed! Ha! 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 You missed! Ha ha ha! He missed! Ha ha ha! I'm just gonna say that. I'm told.
When he tried to kill me twice. Oh, how we laughed and laughed, except I wasn't laughing.
Pokemon! Choose me! Go! I choose you! Oh, unicorn! Go home! Go, homeboy! Unicorn, use rock slide! Use Thunderbolt! Ooh, bless me. Use Flamethrower! Alright, who's gonna win here? I'm just sitting on my butt, walking around, because I can. Use Flamethrower! No, my Pokemon! Oh, well, that's all the time I have for today, guys, unfortunately. This is a very interesting episode of the Boring Bread Gaming channel. Alright, so, remember to like if you like the video, subscribe if you want to see more content, and remember, stop trying to stand on me. Alright, and remember, boring bread is life. And that's all for this episode.